Hi, my name is Anna Cuccia. I'm a teacher trainer on CELTA and Delta courses. I'm also a school governor, have loads of interest in learning and the curriculum. And this webinar that I'm going to be delivering, which I really want you to come on, is called Applying the Science of Memory in the Classroom. Now, for those of you that have spent a lot of time online, you may well have come across some of the terms and concepts before. You may have heard of the forgetting curve, spaced repetition systems, and cognitive load. And in which case, you'll know that it's crucial to revisit those things to actually embed them into your long-term memory so you can actually apply your knowledge. However, if you're completely new to all of this, I hope that I'm going to condense down some of that tricky science into a very manageable, small, little, just the essentials of what you need to know, kind of a potted history, so to speak, of the science, but making it highly practical so that you will leave the webinar with some concrete things that you can do immediately with your classes. They're not going to take loads of preparation. You're going to be able to make some easy little changes to the way that you use your board and you make worksheets and help your students with long-term learning. In addition to that, there are also online tools that can support you with this. So I really hope that you will enjoy the webinar, find it interesting and engaging, and that more importantly, it will be able to make your students much better learners and so that they are less likely to forget the content that you share with them. I look forward to you joining me on my webinar, and I hope that you tell everybody about it and get them to come to it.